Welcome to my channel Aapka Swasthya. So in today's video I'll be sharing a very easy healthy chocolate ice cream recipe which I've made using only 3 ingredients in under 5 minutes. So let's check out the recipe. Firstly, I've taken 2 frozen bananas. Then I've taken 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Here I've used Hershey's cocoa powder, which is naturally unsweetened. You can choose any brand. And then I've taken 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Here I've made this peanut butter at home. I'll share the link of its recipe in the description box. So let's get started. Firstly, in the mixie jar, we'll add 2 frozen bananas. Here I've frozen them for nearly 10 hours. You have to freeze them for at least 6 hours to get a better consistency. Then I'll be adding the cocoa powder. Then we'll add the peanut butter. Now I'll close the lid and we're going to blend it. Here you can check out the consistency. It has turned out to be very creamy. So now we'll pour the mixture into a bowl. So to make our ice cream tastier, here I'll be adding some choco chips. You can add any other toppings of your choice. You may even add dry fruits. Now we're going to mix it together. And now I'll cover it with a cling wrap and then I'm going to freeze it. You should definitely check out this recipe because this is a guilt-free dessert which is very easy to make and it turns out very delicious. So here our ice cream has frozen. Now I'm going to take a scoop in the bowl and then I'll be garnishing it with a few cashews. Here you can see that our ice cream has turned out perfect. So if you like this video, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it.